Hi, I'm Captora Elanga. Me and my family love exploring nature, and we want to share it with you the beautiful places we've been. So, if you love adventure like us, sit back and relax and enjoy the beautiful video. So beautiful. Good morning, guys. So for today's video, we are here at Santa Eulalia town. So join with me as I walk you around here at Santa Eulalia. All right, so just sit back and relax and enjoy the beautiful view here at Santa Eulalia town. So right now we are here passing at the Art Shopping Center. Look at that. It's an outlet. So here there are so many art shopping center here in Santa Eulalia, guys. So let's keep moving. So today Mr. Sun is shining, but what we can't expect, the weather here is always windy, guys. Almost 2 months that the weather here in Ibiza is very windy. In the coastal area, the waves is massive, guys. So let's keep moving. So it's only a short walk here at Santa Eulalia town, guys. Whoa, they have what is this? They're selling paint in this area. So we're gonna go to the port, guys. We have to pass at the port of Santa Eulalia. Here, the port in Santa Eulalia is totally different from the port in Escanar, because in Escanar, it's only very small, but here in Santa Eulalia is a big port, guys. Alright, so let's keep going. Why is this closed? What kind of establishment is this before? Do you know what is this? The children's store, right? No? Okay, let's keep going, guys. Let's take a walk at the port of Santa Eulalia. Oh, I love these restaurants. Look at that. It's full of flower decoration. Wow, nice. Okay, so let's take a walk over here. All right, so we're gonna pass in here. I'll show you the port of Santa Eulalia, guys. Puerto de Santa Eulalia. Okay. So this is one of the famous discoteca. Here, I'll show you guys. Guarana. Guarana. Look at that. This is a discoteca here in Santa Eulalia. So if you love dancing, drinking, you can go in here. What is that? Oh my gosh, look what this happened of the strong wind, guys. Look at that. It's broken. This is Kuma restaurant. Kuma. Look at that. They are broken already. The plastic that is covered in the restaurant. So look at that. As you can see, the port is so big, guys. So big. And here there's so many fish here in the port, but I don't know if you can eat the fish here. Because for sure there's a leakage of some oil in the boat or in the yacht. So this is the Nautica de Santa Eulalia. Wow, it's very windy. Wow, there's so many jet ski here, guys. And this is for rent. So if you want to jet ski in here, so this is for rent. You can rent here if you are here in Santa Eulalia. Okay, so let's keep going. Look at that. For 250,
2 hours.
2 hours tour. 250. Wow. Let's go. Wow. Some of the yachts also here are for rent, guys. So we are right now passing at the Corsario Negro Restaurante. El Corsario Negro. So if you have some boats in here, you can buy the things you need there. That's a store. Okay, so let's take a look over here. Wow, look at that. How many beautiful yachts are in here. So we are right now right in the front of Sydney Restaurant Ibiza. Look at that. And besides is paelletas. Imagine you're eating in here and this is the view you can see. Wow, it's so beautiful. So let's keep going, guys. By the way, I want to say thank you so much for always watching my video. Wow, there's so many fish. Look at that, as you can see. So big. Wow. Look at the fish, guys. There's so many fish here at the port, and it's so big. Whoa. Whoa. I don't know where they are right now. So we are here on the port and there's so many fish as I told you before. Okay, so let's continue our walk tour, guys. So here's a beautiful view in here. Casa Bizan. And here also is Amore Restaurant Pizzeria. So let's continue our walk tour, guys. Here at the port of Santa Eulalia, Ibiza. Wow, look at this. I think there's thousands of yachts in here docking in the port of Santa Eulalia, guys. As you see before, there's so many big fish in here, but I don't know if that fish is edible. I think that's cold because there's a leakage for sure of some oil here, so I don't know if it's edible to eat. So time check right now is 12:10 in the morning, guys. On the afternoon, I don't know what you can. I think for me it's in the morning. Okay. Look at that, guys. So we are right now here at the front of Ibiza Yachting Club. Look at that. So this building here is new here in Santa Eulalia, guys. Look at that. Look at the port of Santa Eulalia, guys. So beautiful. So by the way, I want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much, guys, for always watching my video. I really appreciate you all. Wow, look at that beauty. So let's continue walking. Let's go to over here. It's gonna pass here. Gonna pass in here. We're here passing at the Ibiza Yachting Club. Ibiza Yachting is this where you can rent a boat. Oh, they're selling a boat. What is this that they're selling, or is this for rent for the price? Ah, okay. They are sailing a boat, guys, a yacht. So over there, there's a park for children. Over there, guys. Look at the view from here. It's beautiful. We're gonna pass in here because here there's a beautiful view also. It's like a mini park. Look at that. Up to here is the port of Santa Eulalia. So let's go, guys. So here there is a mini park here. Wow, if you love walking, here is a beautiful place to walk. It's nice. Look at that from here. It's beautiful. Wow, it's so beautiful in here, guys. Look at that. And if you are tired of walking, you can sit down and relax here at the bed. Look at that. Cool. Alright, let's keep walking. So let's keep walking, guys. So this area is a beautiful area to take for a walk. All right, let's keep going. So here you can play basketball or tennis. So what time is it now? 12:19, guys. So here there's another construction ongoing on this site. So there's a beautiful building here also. Look at that. I love the design. So we are here at the parking area. We're gonna go inside. All right.
Subak mo, sa box, sa box.